Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, YouTube. This is the Unique Store with our software review for Wednesday. Hey, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, what you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit that bell notification for all the latest updates, videos, everything that's coming from the Unique Store. Leave us a comment also. So let's get right into it. Today is Wednesday software review. Well, I've had a couple people ask me about Mercari because they wanted to know what it is and how you do it and everything about it. So that's what this video is going to be about, is about Mercari compared to eBay, pretty much. So what we got going on here, this is the Mercari homepage. Now, if you guys want to get $5 free, go ahead and click the link in the description for Mercari. You'll get $5 for on your very first item that you sell. Actually, you list right here. And then I will get $5 after you spend. But hey, it's $5 free money for you. That's the main thing. Forget about me getting the $5, you get free $5. So let's jump right into it. So after you set up your account, obviously you want to set it up. You set it up, you go through the prompts, which is super, super easy. It'll ask you for your password, all that kind of stuff. After you set it all up, your screen will look like this. So what it's going to tell you is this is what it is to sell on Mercari. You will get 10% flat fee, period, end of discussion, on every item you sell. So 10% on everything that you sell, okay? That's it. You can have as many stuff listed as you want, as little as you want, whatever. It is only going to cost you 10% when it sells. That's it. So that already is a huge difference. And you can see when you scroll down on the page, you can see the latest stuff that's sold. You've got this pumpkin thing that sold 36, this makeup thing 38, looks like a waist trainer 65, another pumpkin one that's white 36, this high definition video camera looks like for $225. So paying 10% on all, this stuff isn't that bad at all. This is like $3.60, $3.80. This would be like $6.50. This one I think is $20.25. I'm just guesstimating on that one. So let's get into it. Let me show you what you can do. So if you go tell me more, it'll tell you everything that you need to know about listing, okay, and selling on it. How it only takes a second, how you'll get $5 on off on your first item you list, how you get paid, everything about what you need to know and want to know, and the top listing stuff, take a few pictures, everything. So let's get right into the selling thing. You see this button right here that says sell on Mercari? You click on that and you wait for it to upload. Soon as it opens, this is what it's going to look like. Okay. So you will click download pictures and you'll click whatever pictures you want to click on here is what you'll do. So you'll click upload photos and it'll pop up your opening window. Okay. So then you just click on the picture that you want and it'll drop it into there. Okay. So then you're going to do the title of whatever it is. So we're just going to make up a title right now. We're going to do the Xbox 360. Okay. So then you would put in the description, what you're getting. You're getting the Xbox, you're getting Xbox 360, you're getting, let's say you're giving a game. No, let's just say you're just getting the Xbox 60 and everything you need to play. Okay, so maybe we'll throw in a game or something, right? So then your tags are basically going to help you sell the game. Okay, so anything that you think someone would be looking up. So on this, we're doing video games, right? So you got to have a video game tag, you got to have a tag. And you know what? Let's put in toy because it is technically a toy. It's an adult toy, it's a kid's toy, it's a toy. And then the category, see, it automatically prompts the category. If you don't see a category that you like, you can click up here and go through and click the one that you want. But look, game, electronic, video game, and console, it's already there. So we're just going to click on that. Then you've got Xbox, Microsoft, Sony. You can put either one because it is a Microsoft product and it is an Xbox product, but we're going to go Xbox because most people know it as an Xbox. Okay, so you've got select platform. So you've got the Xbox, the 360, the Xbox One. So remember, this is 360. We're going to click on that. And it says item title. So This is if you have a game, you can add the game onto it. Let's just do, we'll do, we'll do 007 Legends. Okay. So, and we're gonna say it's in good condition. It's got some flaws to it, not huge flaws. It's still playable. You always, my rule of thumb is always go lower than what it actually is. So if it's brand new, obviously, yeah, leave it brand new. But if it's like brand new without the tag, just in case you miss something, always put like good. Because that way it's setting your expectations for the person. They're like, okay, I'm buying this good item. And then when they get it, they're like, wow, this is fabulous. This should be like brand new. That's what I do. I always try and go one step below just because I want my customers happy. That's up to you. That's my advice. Go one step below, but you don't have to. The color, since it's a 360, most of them are white. And then your shipping address, and then you're going to do the shipping for it. Okay. So here's the great thing about Mercari. Okay. You can either charge them for shipping or you can do free shipping. Okay. So if you do free shipping, you can build it into your price just like you would on eBay or anything else. Now, you have the option of doing a prepaid label or ship your own. So shipping your own would be like you would go to like Pirate Ship or PayPal, or you would go down to the post office. However you want to do that would be you paying for your own. If you do a prepaid label, you're going to pay for it through Mercari, so you don't have to do anything. Um, then you put your weight. Anything from, I think it's like zero to 4 ounces is like $3.49. 3 ounces to a pound is $5.99. A pound to I think it's like 2 pounds is $11.99, and that's all for whatchamacallit. We're gonna do 2 pounds, 2 ounces. USPS. And then you put in the dimensions, right? So 12 by 12 by 12. I know it's not really that, but I always go bigger in case I have to put more of a box just because you can stuff it around it and everything. That's how I do it. Um, look, so 2 pounds, 2 ounces is $11 on USPS, $17 on FedEx, 17.25 on USPS, and then 45 if you want to go to UPS and pay for them to box up the stuff for you. So I always use USPS because I can just put it out in my mailbox. That's it. So we're going to do 69, right? And then if you see right there, it tells you it's going to, for $69, you're going to pay $6.90 in fees to Mercari. It's going to be $11 to ship it because they're going to take that out of your profit, and you're going to make $51.10. Now, the other cool thing about Mercari is you can set this smart pricing, which basically is like, okay, I'm willing to sell this for as low as $58, and Mercari will drop it and drop it and drop it gradually over time by lowering it to your floor price. You can turn this off and you can leave it on. It's up to you if you want it on or not. And then you hit list after you have the pictures and it'll get listed. That's it. That's all you have to do. When someone buys it or they send you an offer, you get a notification because people can offer you stuff also. They can offer you a totally different price. And you can be like, okay, I want to accept that offer. No, I don't want to accept that offer. So that's another cool thing. The other thing about the offer is they can only go so much too. So if your price is $69.99, they can go, I think it's like $57 they can go down to. They can't go down like ridiculous. Like they can't go, okay, I'm going to send you an offer for $10. Mercari doesn't allow that. It only allows it within so much of a frame work. You can email them and say, hey, would you take $10 for this? And they could say yay or nay. So there is still that possibility, but actually sending an offer, it's only within so much of a percentage that they'll let you go down to. Now, the other cool thing about Mercari is Mercari basically has like its own little bank account. Okay. So what happens is when you sell something, I might show you my sales. I think that's one I want. Um, oh no, that's that page. It'll show you like how much you've sold and how much is waiting. So you've got like a total amount that say you're waiting on like $25, right? That'll be on the bottom and say you have zero in your account right now. So it'll say 00. And then it'll say you have $25 waiting. Now it takes 3 days after it's delivered. So what happens in that 3 days is that in 3 days, see, here's all my notifications and everything. Okay. So, and I've got 108 reviews. So what happens in that time frame is in that 3 days it gets delivered, right? The person has 3 days after it's been delivered to their house to sit there and go, okay, I love the item. I'm going to do the reviews. If someone doesn't do a review after 3 days, it automatically kicks it into your account. So until that time, the money is still sitting. That's the only bad thing, is that you have no access to your money for 3 days. Then once you have access to your money, you can sit there, you can buy stuff on Mercari using your balance, or you can deposit it. So the two options on the deposit is you have to have a $10 minimum. I think on both of them, if I remember right. The deposit, you can either have it direct deposited into your bank account, which costs you nothing, but you have to have a $10 minimum. And it literally takes 5 to 7 business days for that to go into your bank. The other option costs you $2, and it is immediately to a debit credit card type of thing. So you put the card number in, and within a matter of moments, then the card is deposited onto that. The money is deposited onto that card. So say you want to go shopping and you have your bank account and you're like, oh, I'm going to go shopping today. I have $200 in Mercari. I want to use that. You can literally take the $2 fee out of the $200. So then you'll have, what, 198. So you'll have $198 to go shop on, and it'll be there within a second. So that's the two differences in between that. Honestly, Mercari compared to eBay is totally different because it's more simplified. The big difference also is that you're not going to have the PayPal fee, you're not going to have the listing fee, you're not going to have an advertising fee. You don't have a lot more fees. You only have that 10%, and you can literally list as much as you want. As you can see, I have 316 items listed on Mercari alone. Okay, that's quite a bit, in all honesty. And I didn't pay for any of these to be listed, not one single one of these. So I just pay when they sell, and that's it. So definitely, if you guys have not checked out Mercari, give Mercari a check it out. See it. I've told my mom about it. Like I said, a viewer wanted to know more about Mercari, so I hope this helps you. If not, and you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll answer you. And that's it, guys. So again, if you have not subscribed, what you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Okay? I bring you the best information that I can. And also, if you guys didn't know, I've been reselling since, oh gosh, about 2006. So I've been doing this a long time. Me and my husband have done storage units. We've bought and flipped storage units. We go yard selling, we go thrifting. I've done liquidation boxes before it was all popular and everybody does liquidation boxes. I have done it all. So if you guys have any questions, you guys want to know anything, go ahead and leave me the questions in the comments. You can also email me. It's in the descriptions, and I will answer them for you. If I don't know the answer, I will find it. But 9 times out of 10, I do know the answer, which is why I started the YouTube channel, to help you grow and teach you. So again, if you guys have any comments, any questions, leave them in the comment section. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notification, because we literally are starting the reselling dirt on Saturday, and it's a show you don't want to miss. It's Q&As with other resellers. Anything from jewelry to, I'm trying to get some dumpster diving people. So if you guys know any dumpster diver people, because we do that also, I would love to get them on the show. Give them the link. Tell them, hey, she needs some dumpster diving people. I'm all about it. So, and I will answer your guys' questions also to the people. So come by and check it out. Starting next week on Tuesday, we're going to do toy auction. So some of this stuff that's up here that's been kind of stale is going to be up. So come on and check it out. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. And remember, like always, keep on flipping on.